system in LR6 drafting. So today we will calculate that how to calculate the drafting arrangement or drafting system with the help of gearing diagram. Now this is the gearing diagram of the drafting unit. I will consider only this particular part of the mechanism. Now as you are already aware that the hank of the rowing or the count weight maximum can be produced, it all depends on the drafting capacity of the machine. So it is a 3x3 drafting system. Here what we are doing, here the pneumatic loading is there, and in this ring frame the speed frame can be controlled from 18,000 to 25,000 according to the spindle which we are taking. The spindle are either M21 HG, M18.5 HD or M19 HN. Now in this case what we have to do, as you know that the draft is the surface speed of front roller divided by surface speed of back roller. Now as it is used for cotton, so here the diameter of front roller is 27 mm and here the back roller is also 27 mm. Now what I have to do, as you know, here what you have to assume, so you require first the speed of the back roller and speed of front roller. So friends, how you calculate practically? Normally the tachometer is there we are having, or with the help of gearing diagram, right from machine pulley to the drafting rolls, or the third part is, which is very easy. Here we can omit the gearing diagram from machine pulley. So here what you have to do, assume that the back roller RPM is 1. So here the surface speed of back roller will become pi N3 and D3. Here N3 is 1. So it will be pi D3. Now how to calculate this? Now what we have to do, we have taken the 1 RPM of the back roller. So the back roller speed is 1 into 44 divided by 21 and then 112 divided by 20 then H, here the motion goes to H, then G, then 26 upon 29. So now this will be the speed of front roller. Now what will be the surface speed? That is pi ND, that is N1 and D1. We know the value of N1 which is here, which we have calculated. So, and D1 diameter is same. Here we have assumed that D1 is equal to D3. So the draft will be surface speed of front divided by back roller, surface speed of back roller. That is pi into N is 44 divided by 21 into 112 divided by 20 into H divided by G, then 26 divided by 29. Now this divided by back roller, so it is pi, N is 1 and D is calculated. So from this, so there will be a constant, and this is called draft is equal to draft constant into H by G. So this is a combination of gearing diagram. So friends, this is all for today. I hope that by simple calculation you can find out the draft constant and the drafting. Or same way we can calculate the brake draft. In brake draft, assume this as a brake draft constant, assume this as 1. So from this 44 divided 21, 32 divided by BDCP, this will be the middle roller, and the brake draft is surface speed of middle roller divided by surface speed of back roller. So the draft constant can be also calculated by this. So friends, this is all for today. I hope that with the gearing diagram you can be easily find out the brake draft constant, the brake draft, the draft constant, the draft which is available with this. So thank you friends, have a nice day.